So here at the Shamma workshop, like a lot of other places, you know, you're thirsty and you want something that's good and refreshing, but you don't want a lot of calories because once you hit 30 years old, then everything just packs on. So we drink LaCroix, we drink Crystal Geyser, and I just have to say that Crystal Geyser and LaCroix are terrible. I find myself, the more I drink them, the more I'm like, I can't finish this. This is like harsh on my stomach. It's awful. Anyways, I'm just here to let you know that LaCroix and Crystal Geyser's reign of terror, their nasty reign of terror, is over. It's all about Spindrift now. And TK here, who is a big fan of LaCroix, right?
Yes.
He's going to have his first taste today of Spindrift. And this is, which flavor is that?
This is raspberry lime.
So let's see what you think.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, no.
What?
I'm not feeling it.
What's wrong with it?
Because it's like sweetened water. That's exactly what it tastes like. Even though it's not sweetened, there's no sugar added to it.
How many calories are in that?
There's 9 calories in this. That's
9
awesome.
calories.
Okay. There's no added sugar. Carbonated water, raspberry puree, raspberry juice, fresh lime juice.
Oh, those sound like terrible ingredients. Keep reading.
Horrible. No, they're great ingredients, but it's just like diluted juice is what it is. It's 6% juice.
But what is LaCroix?
LaCroix is sparkling water with
Yes.
essence of the fruit added, which is different. Because then you don't taste like the sweetness of
Where'd
it,
they-
you just taste the essence of it, which is different in my opinion. And I prefer that.
Where'd they get the essence?
I do not know. I don't know how they do it. It's some weird science, but it works for me.
So you'd
I
rather
dig it.
have something that's come from a laboratory than from nature. I get it. I understand. Some
Yeah.
people are like that.
I don't know. Taste wise, it's like, yeah, if you were to take like a glass of juice and pour out like 80% of it, or in this case, 94% of it, and then fill the rest with water, and think about how that would taste. Not so great. That's what this is.
Or have 1% of something from a laboratory and a whole bunch of salt in sparkling water.
Not even 1%.
In any case, TK and I are going to go on like this for hours. This is what we do at the workshop.
I don't
But
even think they add sodium to LaCroix. I think LaCroix doesn't
They
add
add
any.
trash to LaCroix.
Crystal Geyser, they add a little sodium.
A little sodium.
Which, yeah.
In any case, we're not going to solve it here. Maybe you can help us solve this. Are you for LaCroix? Are you for Crystal Geyser? Or for Bubbly? Or are you for Spindrift? Let us know in the comments section below. Have a great day.
There's a bunch of articles that are just trashing LaCroix.
Why would that be? Because it's terrible.
I'm scared to delve into these.
No, you
to
should
this
delve.
world.
You should definitely delve.
Its essence is a clear, concentrated natural chemical derived by heating the skins or the rinds of fruits. To expand, the chemicals is described as vapors that are captured, condensed, and eventually sold by the 55-gallon barrel.
So it's like fruit vaping, is what you're saying.
Yeah.
Got it.
I don't know. Like essence and like a hint of flavor, and then the essence to me is different. You know? Am I making sense? I don't know. I feel like
you're
there's
making no
there's
sense.
got to be other people out there that feel the same way as me. Like
Because you admitted that what does the LaCroix pamplemousse taste like to you?
that
Just
tastes
be
like,
honest, 100% honest.
That tastes like soap water.
Okay, soap
Yeah.
water.
It tastes like soap water. That just.
But that's a lot better than like a little bit of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. Like the actual juice, non-essence or vaped or
No.
chemically extracted.
No. Between the grapefruit flavors of the Spindrift and the LaCroix, the Spindrift is definitely better because it doesn't
Okay,
taste
hold on.
like soap.
You heard it here first, folks. He's breaking.
Because it doesn't taste like soap.
His logic is collapsing on itself.
No, it
And
actually
pretty soon
tastes.
he'll be trapped under this 30-story building of logic that's collapsed.
It actually tastes like grapefruit.
However, I would never even drink LaCroix grapefruit. I would never be caught ever drinking pamplemousse LaCroix ever because it just is trash. Okay, it's like mouthfeel. Like you eat a burger, right? Right, there's so much you could do to add the flavor to the burger, like the cheese, tomato, the spreads and all that stuff. That adds flavor to the burger. What about mouthfeel? If the burger's really soggy, the burger sucks. Right? The mouthfeel doesn't do anything with the flavor. Mouthfeel's different.
Yeah.
Right? That's how I view the essence. The essence is like adding mouthfeel to a drink, but it's actually the essence of the fruit. That's how I would describe it. If I find out that stuff's giving me cancer or something, then I will stop drinking it. Because I care about my health.
So you say you like the flavor of essence?
I like the flavor of sparkling
essence.
water with essence added to it.
Yeah.
Mouthfeel. Essence and mouthfeel are the same thing to me. It's not like I'm comparing two different burgers that have different ingredients on them. No, I'm comparing a burger that just has good mouthfeel.
You know what it's like? You know what it's a lot like? It's like the difference between real meat and mechanically separated meat.
Oh my gosh.
You're right.
You guys are
you're
just
right.
I'm actually right on
Come
this
on,
one.
dude.
This is good.
It's like
And
the
TK, I'll give you this. There's some good thing. There actually are some good things about mechanically separated meat. For instance, it uses the whole animal, right?
Sure.
It doesn't waste.
Oh my god.
It's different flavors. You're getting the marrow in there. You're getting, some
Marrow's good.
ligaments and
like meat
all
off
stuff's
the
good.
spine.
yeah, meat off the spine. It's which I heard is bad from cows.
Oh,
That's how mad cow disease
good
spreads.
to know. Good
So
to
you gotta
know.
look out for that.
It's not the same thing. Like you were saying, but it's not the same thing.
It's very similar.
No. Hopefully there's people out there that are listening and know what I'm talking about and agree with me. Okay? Hopefully. If not, whatever. I'll just be...
So, like, in your
Bahamas.
worldview, or in your taste view, I should say, like an orange might not taste as good as a sponge, like say one of those, like in a kitchen, because, like, if you were into that texture, like, of a sponge feeling, that would override, like, actual edibleness and smells.
No, the mouthfeel is just an added bonus. An added bonus.